How to add bullet points in Canva. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you all you need to do in order to add bullet points in Canva while you're writing anything really. So I'm just going to start with a design. I'm just going to go for any custom size here. Obviously, it's not going to make any difference, so I'm just going to go for this one. Now, once we have our design here, we can just get started by adding some text. It could be a heading, subheading, or any body of text that you want. It's not going to make any difference, but in this case, I'm just going to go for a subheading. So I'm just going to click on subheading, and then we can just go ahead and start right away by adding some bullet points. Now, to do so, it's very simple. You just need to click on the text or body of text that you just added. And then you will find at the top here a toolbox or toolbar, I should say, for the types of things that you can do for your text, including the bullet points, which is called list. So if you just go ahead and click on this, it's actually just going to go ahead and add a bullet point for you. Now, let's say we just wanted to add another one, but first let's just do change the text for this one and do, for example, bullet point 1. Now, how do we add the second one? It is very simple. You just want to, after you're done writing the first bullet point, you just want to hit on your keyboard the enter key. So just hit enter, and it's just going to create the second one here for you automatically. So you can just go ahead and do bullet point 2, and same goes for the third one, 3, 4, and so on. Now, if you want to remove the bullet point from a specific one, you can just feel free to highlight the item and just click on the bullet point twice, and it's just going to filter between the different list items, and then it's just going to remove it. So let's just demonstrate that one more time. Let's say I don't want the bullet point to be in bullet point 2. So I'm just going to highlight this, click on the the list button on the top once, and it's actually going to change the format for the list, which is now going to be numbered. Click on it again, and it's actually going to be removed. Now we have bullet point for this one and the third one, but not the second one or the fourth one. But we can always just add it back by just highlighting it and click on list, and it's just going to be added back to your text. But like I said, you can feel free to add any size of text. It's going to be exactly the same thing. Just highlight the text, click on list, and same goes for the numbers here. You just want to hit enter. It's just going to create number 2, number 3, and so on. Now, again, if you want to remove it, you can just highlight, remove, and you're good to go. So this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.